seen Sarah, and today we're gonna learn how to make one of those icons, one of those Roblox icons. And first off, to make your icon, you need to go to, of course, you need to use Roblox Studio. And today we're gonna use Paint.net. First off, we're gonna open Roblox Studio. Then we must go to test and press play. Now after that, it should be playing. Okay, so we started the game. We have ourselves here. We need to go to the workspace. There's the spinning tornado, or your character name. It will be here. If you search in workspace, and you'll try to find your name. After you find it, press on it, copy, then stop. Then guys, you need to paste what you just copied. Okay, here we have myself, looking very handsome. Now we're gonna make our Roblox icon. So now we'll just get rid of all the other parts in our body except our head. Okay, like left foot, delete the left foot, delete the left hand, delete the lower arm. We gotta delete all of that. Okay, now guys that we've gotten rid of everything except the head, we're gonna get a green screen from the toolbox. Here we have some green screens. We're gonna get this one. And get rid of the base plate, okay? Get rid of it. Okay, now we have a head inside a green screen. Now all you need to do is open Paint.net. Okay, so guys, if you have any snipping tool, we have Paint.net right here. Now how do we cut this out and put it in Paint.net? You're asking. Okay, we're gonna get any snipping tool just down here. Here we have the snipping tool. We're gonna click on this, if you have mine, and get rectangular snip. Okay, now we snip this part. After we snip this part, we're gonna copy it. Go to edit, copy, and paste it down here. Okay, not that. Okay, so we're correct to this part. Okay, so guys, we need to make a new layer. You need to go to here, open the layers, get a new layer. This layer will be the outline of our character here. So now all we gotta do is open the line and curve, and we'll just make our character an outline. Okay, and also make sure you're in layer 2. Okay, I'm just gonna make my outline and get back to you when I'm done. We've done the outline now. All you have to do is copy the colors, like pick the colors from this, the original one, and fill them in layer 2. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right now. Okay guys, so I have filled it up now. Now all we need to do is do the shading thing, like in this fruit here, this thing. Okay, so we're gonna go back to paint and do it. But you might think, what do you want for the color of the background? You can make it any color you want, or you can just make it the color of your hair. I prefer the color of the hat or the hair that you're wearing. Okay, the color of your hair, but a little bit light, Okay guys, now we're gonna do the shading, but a little bit darker than the background. Okay, we're gonna get the line and curve, and make it a little bit dark, and we'll do this. So now we're gonna fill those lines that you just did. Okay. And sometimes it doesn't work, but keep trying until it works. Okay. Okay. So guys, I made the tolerance a bit smaller so we can do that. You can't if you want to do like straight up black shadow, do that if you want. But if you want a darker color of your background, you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna do the color of the background. Okay, so there you have it, your Roblox icon. But before we end off, we need to go to the layers again. Where's the layers? Here. And we need to remove the background, okay? Click on the background and click on delete layer. Okay, here you have your what's it called again? Icon, your Roblox icon, okay? Bye bye!